Hello everyone. So this video is about file handling part 2. We will discuss about file handling, and in previous video we have discussed about opening a file, fopen function. In this we will continue with closing a file. So closing a file in C, the file should be closed after reading or writing. So closing a file is performed using the fclose function. Fclose, and we have created f pointer for fclose function, and here fptr is a file pointer associated with the file to be closed. Reading and writing to a text file. For reading and writing to a text file, we use functions fprintf and fscanf. They are just the file versions of printf and scanf, which we use in programming. The only difference is that fprint and fscanf expects a pointer to the structure file. So here is an example of how to read a text file. So we can see a program to write a text file. So firstly we have included the header files, the stdio and the stdlib standard library. Then we have created main function, and we have declared a variable of integer type num, and then we have fptr of file type. Now fptr equals to fopen, and if and we have a condition here: if fptr equals to null, then printf error and exit 1. And if in printf statement we have a printing message enter number, and we have a scanf statement in which we are reading the number, and again we are using fprintf function for printing number, and then we are closing the file and returning 0. So this is the example to to write a text file in C using fclose function. So this program takes the number of users and stores in a file program.txt. After you compile and run this program, you can see a text program.txt created in C drive of your computer. When you open the file, you can see the integer you entered. Now we have another example how to read from a text file. So to read from a text file, what we have to write in program. So first we have created main function, and then we have used f pointer and created a variable of integer type num, and we have a condition over here that if fptr equals to fopen equals to null, then printf error opening file. So this statement program exists if the file pointer returns null and exit 1. Then we have fscanf statement for num. We have to read the number what we have entered, and then we have used printf function for printing a value of n, and then we have used fclose function for closing the file, which we have opened earlier, and return 0. So this is the type of this is the example of reading from a text file. So this is the language, and this is the way of writing a program using fclose and fopen function to read and write the file. This program reads the integer present in the program.txt file and prints it into the screen. If you successfully created the file from example 1, running this program will get you the integer you entered. Other functions like fget, char, and fputc, etc. can be used in a similar way. So this is the example of closing a file. In previous video we have discussed about opening a file, and in our next video we will discuss about how to read and write file using functions in C